Hey, I'm David, Head of Customer Success here at Luxor. I want to take a minute to talk about setting up automations for your fleet. Let's say it's noon and peak rates are coming. Throttling on a schedule is the one thing you can almost script until you add a batch of miners, and they end up hashing straight through the peak because your script only knows about the fleet you gave it. Commander gives you two ways to handle that. Number one, act on your whole fleet in one pass. Number two, you can have Commander do it for you automatically on the fleet you actually have. Without an MMS, you've had to either act miner by miner, fire an action to your whole fleet and hope, or take the time to write a script and hope nothing's changed since you wrote it. Commander makes accurate changes easy. Filter down to exactly the miners you want to touch, say those operating above 18 joules per terahash. You know these are less efficient than they should be, and a quick reboot will tell you whether they'll come back on their own or if we need to look closer. Select all from the left side, and then you can open up bulk actions. From here you can install or update LuxOS, change pool settings, change temperature settings, sleep, wake up, or reboot your machines, change power settings, or run a custom LuxOS command. You can also change steps into one workflow, applied across the entire selection in a single pass. For these, I'm just going to reboot to clear whatever's dragging them down, but I could also change the power settings and give them a more specific power target. For these, I'm going to reboot first to clear whatever's dragging them down. Click continue, and before anything runs, the preview will show you exactly what's about to happen. How many miners and what batch size and what delay between batches. If a machine can't run one of your actions, say you aim the LuxOS only action at stock firmware, it'll be flagged before you execute, not after. When you hit go, you know exactly how many miners it'll touch and why. So here I'm going to click go. This is going to execute the bulk actions across all of these and give them a quick reboot. Every action reports back per machine, so I can see exactly how that reboot landed across the group. Whatever it didn't take, I can retry just those without touching the ones that already worked. In this case, you can see all of these were a success. That's doing it yourself. You won't have to touch every miner individually, but you'll still need to be available at 2 p.m. or 2 a.m. to send the commands. But what if you're on vacation or you've had to run to Best Buy to purchase a 120mm fan because you ran out without knowing it? The real unlock here is not having to do it yourself at all. Automation comes in two different flavors. Triggers, where the system watches for a condition around the clock, and schedules, which run when you need them, whether you're available or not. Triggers are standard if-then statements. If a board hits a dangerous tip while it's hashing, then put it to sleep and email. Or, if an S21 is running above 25 joules per terahash, then give it a reboot. Same reboot I just did by hand, but automatically checked every 15 minutes. And then there's schedules. Remember the peak hours from the very top? You know your peak costs, and let's say from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m., power runs high enough that you know mining just isn't worth it. Rather than scripting this and having to adjust every time you add new miners or change network settings, here you can set a schedule. So every day at 3 o'clock, your miners idle. Add 50 miners next week, they're automatically looped into the schedule. No need to remember that the script only runs on IPs 4.15 through 4.255. Commander looks at the actual parameters of your automation and runs it off those. If you're ever concerned, you can go back to automation and check the schedule calendar to see what's queued for the day exactly. It's the same action engine underneath, whether you run it yourself, a rule fires it, or if an intelligent miner makes the call. And it all lands in the same log, so there's a record of everything Commander did, no matter what set it off. All of this comes with Commander Pro, including multi-step bulk actions, trigger rules, and schedules, in addition to what we've already talked about, intelligent miner, sitemaps, and all of that. Pricing simple, $100 per megawatt per month, or if you prefer to pay through your pool, a 0.25% hash rate adder. And when you install a Commander agent, Pro is free for 60 days. You can start at luxor.tech/commander or book a demo with us. We'll run a Commander against your actual operation. As always, thank you for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out. We're always here to help. Hope to talk to you soon.